Hi everyone, welcome to the official TradeAdapter channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your TradingView strategies with MetaTrader 5 and TradFi, using TradeAdapter to automate your trades. Let's get started. We'll start by going to the TradFi section to find our account ID. From there, we'll copy the ID and password. If you don't remember the password, you can quickly reset it. We'll write everything down so we have it handy. The next step is to log into our account in MetaTrader 5. On the left panel, open the navigator, right-click on Accounts, and select Open an Account. In the pop-up window, enter your MT5 account number in the login field. Add your trading password. To confirm everything is correct, at the top of the MT5 window, you'll also see the account number we just logged into. With the Bybit demo account now linked to MT5, the next step is to add our expert advisor. To do that, open the TradeAdapter website, go to the instructions section, and select MT5 Setup. Once the page loads, you'll find the latest EA version available for download, developed by our team. Inside MT5, go to File and select Open Data Folder. This will open a directory where we navigate to MQL5, then Experts, and finally, Advisors. In that location, we paste the EA we just downloaded. Back in MT5, open the Navigator panel, right-click on Expert Advisors, and select Refresh to update the list. Make sure that under the Common tab, the option Allow Algo Trading is enabled. This allows the Expert Advisor to run and execute trades without any issues. Now let's move on to the EA settings. Here we need to fill in the API field. To do that, go to the My Profile section on the TradeAdapter website, copy your API key, and paste it directly into the EA. Next, on the top menu, open Tools and click on Options. Go to the Expert Advisors tab and enable the following options: Allow algorithmic trading and allow web request for the listed URL. Let's head over to TradingView and search for the XAUUSD pair to continue with the connection process. Next, open the Indicators menu. In the search bar, type UT-bot alerts, which we'll use as our example to generate trading signals in this setup. In the Alerts panel, click on Create Alert and make sure the condition is correctly linked to your indicator. In this example, we'll start by setting up the alert for the UT-long signal. Next, move to the Message tab, where you'll enter a clear and descriptive name for the alert, so it's easy to identify later on. To complete the last field, we'll go to the TradeAdapter website and open the message generator specifically for MetaTrader. In this case, since we're using an indicator, we select the specific message generator for it. We then enter our MetaTrader account number and set the order size to 0.1 without take profit or stop loss, essentially simulating a spot-style trade. After that, generate the message, copy it, and paste it directly into TradingView. In the Notifications tab, make sure the webhook URL is selected. We get it from the TradeAdapter profile. Attention! After letting the alerts run for a few minutes, you may see an error in MetaTrader, such as invalid order filling type. To fix this, go to the Frequently Asked Questions section. Look for MetaTrader and check the third error listed. That's the one that appeared for me. Click on Read to open the full explanation. In my case, it tells me that the filling type must be set to IOC. So we update that setting correctly inside MetaTrader, and everything will work as expected, without generating any more errors. After running the setup for a while, our strategy begins to generate signals on TradingView, and each of those signals is processed automatically through TradeAdapter. To verify that everything has been handled correctly, we can head over to the TradeAdapter website and open the My Trades section. Inside My Trades, we go to the MetaTrader tab, where all processed trades are displayed. Here we can review every order that was received, including the order type, the symbol, the execution price, and the broker's response. This allows us to confirm that each signal was properly converted into a valid MT5 instruction. And to complete the verification, we go back to MetaTrader 5 and open the History tab at the bottom of the platform. This section shows every executed order, allowing us to confirm that the trades sent from TradingView, processed by TradeAdapter, were successfully executed in our demo account. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.